Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we will learn how to animate a box and give some transitions to it. Okay, so this is a demo of the output today's code. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get to go do some coding. Okay, here in the Visual Studio Code I have created a file named animation2.html since this is a tutorial 2, and here I will be using the emit, use this doc type HTML. Yeah, and in the title I'm writing as animation2, and in the body we'll use the h1 tag CSS animation, giving some text, and in the I will create a div. Inside the div I'm writing I'm an animated box, which will create a box, a square box, and then outside the div I'm writing here p, a paragraph tag, a text. When the animation is finished, it will go back to its original form. Okay, see, you can see the output, current output. Here I am using the extension called Live Preview. It's an extension of Visual Studio Code. You can download and install it. And now I'm styling the div tag, and I'm not using any external CSS file. I will be styling it here only. So I'm using the style tag here inside the head, then div, and padding, giving some padding of 1 rem, and width of 100 pixel, and height of 100 pixel, and background color as red. Yeah, now you can see, and color of the text as alias blue, giving the animation name as box Annie, and animation duration as 5 seconds, and I'm using @keyframes. Box Annie, the animation name. Here @keyframes is used to animate in CSS. Okay, and in 0% the background color will be red, and left will be 0 pixel, top 0 pixel, and 25% background color will be yellow, left as 200 pixel, top as 0 pixel, 50%, copy this. Yeah, background color as blue violet, and 50% background color will be green yellow, and 50% top will be 200 pixel, same as left, and 75% let the background color be what can be taken, yeah, crimson, and left as 0, top as 200 pixel. In 100% let the background color be red, and change the background color of 75% at. Okay, yeah, in 100% the left will be 0 pixel and top will be 0 pixel. So let's reload. I think there's some error, why it's not moving. Let's check. Oh, sorry, I've forgotten to give the position as relative. Yeah, now you can see it's moving. Okay, so our code is running perfectly. Check description for the complete source code, and join our Discord and Telegram channel for more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.